Number 119, we have the limit as x approaches 3 of 2x, which equals 6, and we want to find delta given two different epsilon values. How can we do this? Well, using the precise definition of the limit, given that the limit as x approaches a of f of x is equal to the limit L, you need to know that the absolute difference between f of x and L is less than epsilon. And the absolute difference between x and a, that's less than delta. With this information, we can find delta given epsilon. So notice that a is equal to 3, f of x is 2x, and L is 6. So with that information, let's start with this part. So let's replace f of x with 2 and L with 6. That's going to be less than epsilon. Next, we can replace a with 3. So here we're going to have x minus 3 is less than delta. What we need to do is find a relationship between delta and epsilon. Once we have that, we can plug in epsilon and find delta. Here, we could factor out a 2. 2x divided by 2 is x, negative 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then if we divide both sides by 2, we get that the absolute value of x minus 3 is less than epsilon over 2. Now, because these two are the same, these two parts are equal to each other. So we could say that the relationship between delta and epsilon is delta is epsilon divided by 2. So now, to get the answer for part A, all we got to do is divide it by 2. So it's going to be 0.1 divided by 2, and that's equal to 0.05. For part B, epsilon is 0.01, so delta is going to be half of that. It's going to be 0.005. So that's how you could find delta given epsilon.